Literally just curled my hair and it's already fallen. Hey guys, what's up? It's me. I'm back. So today I'm wearing this big cozy plaid kind of crop top. You can't see it, but it's cropped. It's really oversized and comfy and I feel like a freaking scarecrow in it. Alright, so I get a lot of questions asked from you guys, mainly on my Instagram, about my hair. Which is really funny because I don't really do too much with my hair. But anyways, I really wanted to talk to you guys about my hair and kind of how I wash it, what products I use, how I style it, all that good stuff. So thank you guys so much for the comments. I really appreciate it and I hope this is helpful to any of you. So to start off, I guess I'll just explain some of the basics about my hair. I do get it colored. I have an amazing hairdresser. I love her so much. So at the top is kind of my natural color. That's what it would look like if I didn't dye the bottoms. I usually go in and get a balayage, which is basically an ombre. And I usually get a partial done. I don't usually get like my full head of hair dyed, if that makes sense. So kind of just the top half of my hair she will dye and like some bits on the underneath, but not my full head. So I usually go in asking for like an ashy / cool toned blonde. I don't really want to go completely like platinum, but I do just kind of want my hair lightened a little bit. So that's what I ask for if you want to know what to suggest to your hairstylist. Anyways, when my hairstylist is coloring my hair, she'll kind of take little pieces and then kind of blend it into my natural tone. Kind of giving that feathering effect into my natural hair color is what gives like this ombre or like balayage look. I do believe there might be a little bit of bleach in the color that she applies to my hair. I'm not completely sure. I am not a hairstylist. I don't really know the chemical properties or what goes on when you make a color. So I think it's been about 4 months since I went to get my hair done. It's definitely still light, you can see, but it has faded just like a little bit. So then I guess I'll move on to what I use to wash my hair. I usually wash my hair like every other night. When I was younger, I used to wash it like consistently every night. But as I've gotten older, I've realized that is not good for your hair. You probably shouldn't be washing it every night. So every other night has been working for me. Some days I can even go like 2 nights. You can actually train your hair to be washed less. I didn't know this until actually like a few years ago or until I was in college. So if you just train your hair kind of like gradually, wash it every other night or every 2 nights, like you can make it gradual and not so like abrupt. So I honestly use some very basic things when it comes to washing my hair. So I use the Pantene Color Radiant Shine. I just get this at Target honestly, and it's been working really well for me. And then of course I'll go in with some conditioner. My hair needs conditioner so bad, or it's way too hard to brush out. But I will only apply this on the ends of my hair, probably from about here down I'll apply it. I never put it on like the top of my head because honestly my hair is very oily. That's just the type of hair I have. It's very unfortunate. So those are the products that I use most nights. But since I do have colored hair and it is blonde, I need to use purple shampoo, which I didn't start using until maybe a year or so ago, if that long. But honestly guys, like if you have blonde hair and you don't have purple shampoo, I have something that will blow your mind. That totally sounds like an ad and I didn't mean it to be, but like honestly you guys, purple shampoo will change your life. Alright, so recently I was recommended this by my hairstylist. Again, she is literally a magician when it comes to hair. So for purple shampoo, I use the Schwarzkopf color. I use the Schwarzkopf. You guys, I literally cannot say this name. I use the Schwarzkopf Color Freeze purple shampoo. It honestly works like a charm and it makes your hair smell so good. Like this smells better than any shampoo I've ever used, and it's only meant to like keep the color in your hair. I will warn you, this stuff like really dyes your hands like in the shower. It doesn't dye them permanently, but when you're in the shower like it is a bit of a mess because purple like literally goes all over the place. But that honestly like is not a big deal at all. I love this stuff so much and would recommend it like highly. Any purple shampoo is going to be a little bit more expensive than normal shampoo, but I think it's worth it if it saves you some trips to the hair salon, which can be very costly. And then Schwarzkopf also has a conditioner that comes with the shampoo. This is honestly okay. Alright, so then after I wash it, I will go in with the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. I found this stuff probably a few years ago now. It's been a while since I've been using it, but it honestly is such a miracle when it comes to like detangling your hair. I literally cannot brush my hair without using this stuff. It makes it so easy to brush your hair after you wash it. I actually get this stuff on Amazon. You can buy it in like a little travel size or in these kind of bigger ones. They have a couple different versions, and I've tried both. One comes in like an orange bottle and one comes in a purple bottle. And this one works really, really good. And then normally I will just leave my hair to air dry. I actually try not to use a hair dryer super often because normally I do straighten my hair every morning and that's like a lot of heat to put on it. So speaking of styling my hair, there are a few things that I use. So I'll start off with dry shampoo. Dry shampoo is honestly such a lifesaver if you're kind of like running low on time in the morning. Also on the days where I don't wash my hair, I'll use dry shampoo. It really helps to kind of take the oil out of your hair and just be more comfortable throughout the day. So I will use the Batiste Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo. You can get this at like Target or Ulta. They have like a ton of different like sizes and scents and all of that. But right now I've been using the Tropical scent, which actually smells so good, and it's in this giant bottle. I got this specific one at Ulta actually. The one thing I will say though is I'm not sure it's like very good for you to like inhale. So I try to do it as quick as possible and kind of like hold my breath while I'm doing it. That sounds really weird and crazy, but yeah. So like basically what I'll do is like I'll shake it up first, and then kind of like take a chunk of my hair and get as far away as I can like with the dry shampoo and kind of lightly get it in there and kind of like shake my hair around as well. That's like a very quick little tutorial, I guess, of how I apply my dry shampoo. There's people outside my room right now. Was it just like not recording right now? Okay, so I think I mentioned this before, but usually every day I will straighten my hair. It's honestly just the quickest way to style my hair. Naturally, I have pretty straight hair, so I can just go through it with a straightener in probably 5 minutes and it's totally fine. But on days when I do want to feel like a little bit more bougie, a little bit more fancy, I will curl my hair. So I use the NuMe 3-in-1 wand. They come with 3 different sizes for the actual like, what are these called? Barrels, that's what they're called. This is the thickest one actually. It gives kind of those big wavy curls that I like. I don't love like super tight like little ringlet curls. I like it to feel like very beachy. So this thing actually has like a few different temperatures you can choose. I use the highest temperature just because I think it curls my hair a little bit quicker if I don't have time in the morning. But yeah, I definitely recommend the NuMe curlers. They've been super awesome. I use them all throughout college. So yeah, that's like kind of it. That's what I use to curl my hair. So then once I'm done curling it, of course, I will kind of set it into place with some hairspray. So I use the Bedhead Masterpiece Massive Shine Hairspray. It's in a really cute blue bottle. I have used this stuff probably since I was 14. I like have been a consistent buyer of this thing for years and years. It honestly just smells so good. That's like what drew me to it. And of course it works really well. You can buy this at Target. I'm sure you can get it like somewhere like Walmart if that's like closer to you. I'm pretty sure any beauty store supplies this. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I really do to my hair. Honestly, like that's kind of it. I don't know if there's anything like specific you like want to know about my hair, but of course if there's anything else you want to know, I'm like more than happy to make a video or a blog post about it, so please let me know down in the comments. So leave a like if you liked and subscribe to my channel if you're new. All my links will be down below in the description. So I hope you guys are having a really fantastic day or night or whenever you happen to be watching this. So yeah, that's about it, and I will see you guys in my next video.